Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up Cloudera on your Ubuntu machine. Below are the steps you should follow. The first thing is to change your host file. For that, use your favorite editor and go to etc hosts. There are two IP addresses here. Comment the one with 1.1 and add the hostname Ubuntu next to 0.1. Once it's done, install SSH using the command sudo apt-get install SSH. Type yes. Okay, once the installation is done, you need to create SSH keys using the command ssh-keygen and press enter. Once the keys are generated, move the keys to authorized underscore keys file. I use cat to move. Which I'll post in the description. I use wget. Once you download the file, you need to run it. You can use the command sudo dpkg-install and the package name. Once you install the repository packages, you need to download the cloudera-manager. I use wget. Once you have downloaded the manager, you need to change the permissions on it. You can use chmod plus X on the file name. Once you have changed the permissions, you can run the manager using sudo /. So here's the list of operating systems where you can install Cloudera, which is supported. You can follow through the installation by clicking on next and accepting. This may take some time. Okay, the installation is complete, so you'll get a message saying login to localhost :7180 and the username is admin and the password is admin. Since I am running on a VM, I need to know the IP address so that I can launch it in my browser. I've installed Ubuntu server without a GUI. So I copy the IP, log on to 7180 with username admin and password as admin. Here I do the basic installation. So I choose the free edition, Express edition. Here I want to search for the host name, which is Ubuntu. Click on search and it gives me the localhost and IP address. Since I've already installed JDK during the installation, I don't want to install again. Here you need to give the root password for your machine. didn't set the root password before, so I'm going to set it now. For that, type sudo and type passwd, enter your new password. And give the password here. The installer downloads the required files and sets up the installation. Okay, once it's complete, click on continue. Now we will download the required Hadoop packages. So here it's downloading the CDH 1.5. It's 1.6 GB of size. It takes some time. Okay, once it's activated and distributed, you can click on continue. Now it's inspecting the host. Okay, I have two warnings here. The warning is about the host name is not proper, so I have to change my host name. Since I've used Ubuntu, I get a warning. Since this is a local install, I'm not worried, so I'm going to remove Ubuntu and give localhost as my host name. So for that, I need to change the file etc hostname. Okay, once I changed the host name, I have to change the hosts file also. You can change the host name for now using hostname localhost. After the system restarts, it picks up the from etc hostname. Okay, now I'm going to run the inspection wizard again. I can proceed with my installation and click on finish. Here I'll choose the core Hadoop. You can choose anyone which you want. Click on continue. I'll keep the default settings. Here it shows 20 steps to complete, 21 steps to complete the installation. This should go smooth if you don't have any warnings in the host inspector. This will take time to complete, so yeah, it has successfully completed. All the 20 services are up and running. And click on continue. Click on finish. I have a single node which is the master I installed in my VM, so it doesn't have 3 nodes, so I get these warnings and health issues. The warnings are mostly due to under replication of my HDFS and not an update on nodes in my cluster. You can forget about this. You can use the software as it is with a single node. I'll check if Hadoop is installed. So for that I'll go and check the Hadoop file system. Okay, Hadoop has run successfully on my machine. This means Cloudera is set up on my Ubuntu. Hope this helps. Please share if you like this video. Thanks.